Welcome all. In this video, we are going to see the basics of computer language and introduction to Python. Programming language. There are three types of programming languages, namely the low level, middle level, and the high level languages. The low level language is composed of zeros and ones, while the high level language is similar to the human language. Example of low level language is binary language, and example of high level language includes C, C++, Java, and Python. So this is what a machine code looks like. As the machine only understands the low level language, that is the zeros and ones, the high level language must be translated into low level language, and it is done using the help of a translator. A translator translates the high level language into a machine code, and there are three types of translators, namely the compiler, the interpreter, and the assembler. The assembler is used to convert the assembly level language into low level language. So, differences between compiler and interpreter. The compiler takes the entire program as input and converts it in one go, while the interpreter is line by line executor. Example of a compiler is C program, while example of an interpreter is the Python program. So let us now have a look on procedural oriented program and object oriented program. The POP deals with algorithms while the object oriented program deals with data. Example of POP include C, and example of object-oriented program include C++, Java, etc. These are not that important, so have a look at it when you have time. So what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of finite rules or instructions to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations. So before we write a program in Python or any other language, we first write the algorithm. So here is an example of an algorithm to add two numbers. And an algorithm always starts with the start command and ends with the stop command. Flowchart. Flowchart is the graphical representation of an algorithm. So these are the basic symbols used to represent a flowchart. That is, the lines show the flow of control, the parallelogram for the input and output, the rectangle for the processing, the diamond shape for the decision, that is the if else and while conditions, and so on. So this is an example of a flowchart. So introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is generally a programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. Python is an interpreted programming language that converts high-level language into machine code. And Guido van Rossum is the man who found the Python language, and it was made from the C language. And these are the features of Python. Python is a simple open source object oriented high level language. And these are my class 11 notes about Python. Let's hop on to it. So, what are tokens? Tokens are the smallest individual unit in a program. There are 5 types of tokens in Python, namely the keyword, the identifier, the literals, the operators, and the punctuators. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in the library of Python language, and there are 33 keywords. All the keywords except the false, none, and true are in lowercase. So these are the 33 keywords in Python. So let us look into the basic operators in Python in the next video. Until then, I take leave from you. Thank you.